Hey there, marketers and business owners. Welcome back to the channel. If you're running Facebook ads but not getting the right customers, this video is for you. Are you tired of wasting money on ads that don't convert? Want to reach people who are interested in your product? Today, I'm revealing how to target the perfect audience for your Facebook ads, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the right people, boost conversions, and make every ad count. Stick around till the end for a pro tip that can 10x your ad results. Let's dive in. Before you even set up your ad, you need to define who you are targeting. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. Who is my ideal customer? 2. What are they interested in? 3. What problems do they need solving? Example, selling fitness gear? Your audience might be men and women aged 18-40, interested in gym, CrossFit, weightlifting. Follow pages like Nike, Adidas, or Gymshark. Facebook allows you to target these specific interests, so knowing your audience is key. Pro tip: if you already have customers, use their insights to find similar people. Facebook ads give you powerful tools to pinpoint the right people. Let's break it down. Core audience: select people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Custom audience: retarget people who visited your website, engaged with your ads, or are on your email list. You ever seen an ad for something you just searched for? That's custom audiences at work. Lookalike audience: Facebook finds new people similar to your best customers, so you always target high-quality leads. Pro tip: always test different audiences before scaling your budget. One of the biggest mistakes people make? Too broad targeting. Instead of targeting men 20-40, try men aged 25-40, interested in luxury watches, Rolex or Omega. Behavior: engaged shoppers, people who frequently buy online. This way you're reaching people who are actually likely to buy. Not every view is a valuable view. Exclude people who already converted, so you don't waste money. Users who clicked your ad but didn't engage. Competitors who might be spying on your ads. This keeps your budget focused only on high potential buyers. Facebook ads is all about testing and optimizing. Try A/B tests on different audience segments, ad creatives and messaging, ad placements, stories, reels, feeds. Once you find what works, increase your budget and scale up. And that's how you target the perfect audience on Facebook. Need expert help? At Arise MarkTech, we specialize in high-performance Facebook ad strategies to grow your business. Drop a target in the comments if you found this helpful and want more ad hacks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.